In this video, I want to show you how to stop the siren, the alarm siren of your Volvo P3. This is an S80, but I guess it works on the XC70 as well, in case it's annoying you. So you need to go over here in the passenger footwell. And this is where some fuse boxes are located. I say some because there's many others around the car. So you're going to open this lid, put your finger here, and you're gonna have this fuse box. Now I was wondering which one should I pull, so I researched the internet and I found out that fuse number 16, okay, it's the last one on the second row over here, is the one that controls the siren. Unfortunately, as it says over here, the OBD2 port is also using the same fuse, which means that it will also disable your OBD port located in the driver's footwell. So every time, let's say you want to use it, don't forget to put the fuse back in the fuse panel if you want to use the OBD port. This is the fuse right over here, 5. You cannot pull it with your fingers. Your Volvo has a tool to help you out. It's located under the hood. This is the fuse box under the hood. Let me just remove the lid. And under the lid, it has this small fuse removal tool. Let me remove it. Here you go. And the alarm will never ring. It will never annoy you. Now, it doesn't mean that the alarm is inactive. This is just the siren, which means that you'll still have a warning message in the dash every time the alarm would ring. And in some cars, you also have to remove the relay of the horn, because the horn will also work with the alarm in some cars. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.